Hi, kiddo. So here's a quick tutorial on how to edit your assignments with DocHub and then submitting them into Google Classroom. So I am acting as if I am on a student account. So here is what the student stream looks like. When I go under classwork and I go to grammar and vocabulary practice, I see week 5 vocabulary lesson 2. I click on that. And if I go to the three dots at the side where it says more actions and I go to open in a new window, I will now see where it says an option for open with. If you have the DocHub extension added to your Google Chrome, you will already see DocHub as one of your connected apps. If you don't, you're just going to go to connect more apps. And where it says search apps, you can search for DocHub there. Press enter. And if you have it added like me, then you will see the green check mark, or I'm sorry, you will see the green banner with the check mark. If you don't, then it will prompt you to add it, and you will need to add it to your Google Chrome extensions. But for those of us that already have it, let me X out of this. I will say DocHub PDF and sign and edit, and I will open it with DocHub. I will choose an email account. So I'm going to choose my student account. And where it says grant DocHub PDF sign and edit permission, you are going to allow it. Where it says view and manage Google Drive files, you're going to allow that as well. And the reason why you're going to do that is because that will allow it to automatically change whatever version was presently in your Google Drive to be updated after you make your changes. So you're going to go scroll down and click on allow. And let's see, the week 5 vocab worksheet Wednesday, Thursday PDF opens up. So let's see. Try to determine each word's meaning by how it is used in each sentence. You can use your discretion based on what sounds good to you to decide what you want for dinner. Okay, I am going to click on where it says add text, which is this A, and I'm going to click that right here and say, I would define the word discretion as, and then I'm going to enter what my response is. After I finish, I'm going to go back up to the top and you'll see upgrade to pro. You'll see where you can share or send, but I'm going to go to where it says download/export. So when I press download, rather than downloading simply to my computer, I'm going to download it to my drive. Now, when you download to your drive, it gives you two options under save as, update existing with revision, or create a new copy. So that you don't have to go through and make a whole bunch of changes, where it says updating existing with revision, you're going to make sure that is selected and then press export to drive. This is going to automatically save this to your Google Drive. You can either show it in your drive or you can simply press OK. When I scroll down, I see, oh, wow, there's where my edit is. Perfect. I'm going to go back to Google Classroom. And when I click on the assignment here, I'm going to go to View Assignment. And on the side where it says, Megan Mitchell, your work. So now that I deleted the original copy, which was just the template, I'm going to go back into my Google Drive. And I see that, okay, this is my kids or my student Google Drive. I check right here, and this is the correct one because this is the one I typed into. Perfect. So I am going to go back to the vocab lesson, add or create. I'm going to go to Google Drive or link or file, whichever one is easier for you to do is probably is going to be the method in which you upload it. So I will show you how it will look as a link. I'm highlighting it. I'm going to the top where it says link sharing off. I'm going to press link sharing on. And then I am going to control copy. That way this link is now copied. And so when I go to Google Classroom, I could go to add or create. I'm going to add the link. I'm going to press Control V, and that is going to put the link to the assignment that's in my Google Drive. That's one way you can do it. The other way that you can do it is, let's say I just simply downloaded this. So I'm going to download my copy. Okay, it's downloaded. Now I'm going to go back to my Google Drive. I'm going to add or create. And then when I go to File, I'm going to go to Upload, select the file from my device. Da, 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 da. And here we go. It is right here. I'm going to press Upload. And there, it's also in my Google Drive. When I go check, yep, this is the copy that I wanted. And then last but not least, you can simply go to Add or Create, go to your Google Drive, go to Recent. So let me check and see, is this the version that I want? It is perfect. And you will go to Turn In. One attachment will be submitted for week 5, vocabulary lesson 2. Do I want to turn it in? I want to turn it in. And there you have it. I've now attached my vocabulary lesson that I initially worked on DocHub. I showed you how to do the DocHub add-on to your Google Chrome browser. And once you do it on your Google Chrome browser, you're set to start working on it. And that is how you will submit it into Google Cloud.